Hi friends, this is 5 Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M01s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take photos by volume button on your phone Samsung Galaxy M01s. First of all, open camera in your phone here and click on the settings of camera here. Now click on shooting methods. Click on press volume key 2. Here select first option, take photos. So go back. Now use volume button to capture image. You can use both volume up key or volume down key. You can use both the buttons to capture image. I capture this photo. So instead of shutter button, soft button, we can use this hard volume key. You can also use this volume key to zoom your focus area. Set here zoom and then press volume key to zoom. Volume down is to zoom out. Volume up is to zoom in. So in this way you can easily set. That's all friends. Bye.